So this is how we'll get started with the Malena app. So first thing you want to do from the Malena GitHub repo is we're going to go to the README and we're going to click on the installation link. This installation link will give you different ways that you can actually include Malena in your project. In this video, we're going to choose the fetch content. This seems to be the easiest way. We're just going to copy what we have here. And then we're going to go to our IDE and we're going to paste this inside of our CMake list.txt. So right here I already have a C-line project open. So I'm going to go to the CMake list.txt. I'm going to go ahead and paste that content in there. And you probably would want to go and change this My Project to whatever your project name is. In this case, I'm just going to call it Malena Tutorial. And once I do that, then I can actually just reload my project, right? And just kind of go over a few things in here. This Git repo is basically going to go and grab the Malena source code from the Malena GitHub, and then this Git tag will allow you to specify which version you want to use. And so I recommend always just using the latest version because that's going to have the most up-to-date code. All right, and so once we do that, we're just going to go and reload our CMake project. So here, if you're using C-Line, that's just going to be under Tools, CMake, and then Reset Cache and Reload Project. However you do it in your IDE should be just fine. But in this tutorial, I'm basically going to be using C-Line. So once you see that the processing and the loading has completed, then we should be able to run our project. And as you can see right now, I don't really have anything but the Hello World program. But just to make sure that there's no errors coming from the Malena repo, I'm going to just go ahead and run this. And I should just see my basic Hello World project. Good, so now that I have hello, that means that Malena is set up and we're good to go. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a Malena app.